Hi, how are you? And welcome to Two Piece en Español.
Hi, thank you. I'm doing well. How are you?
Fine, thank you. I missed you so much.
I know.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about plural, the plural, in
Okay.
Spanish. I think it's super easy because there are certain rules. And if you
Mm,
have the rule, you can go fast. Okay?
okay.
So the first one, it's when you have at the end of the noun, you have a vowel. For
Okay.
example, here we have, in this case, casa. It ends with a.
Mm-hmm.
So you just add an S.
Okay.
O niño, that it's a boy. It ends with O. You just add an S.
Okay.
Or student, it ends with E, and you just add an S. So it's super easy. Super
Okay.
straight. Okay, so, but then we have a little bit more complicated. If you have, oh, let me just go back. Can you see here? It's all of them, but without a stress mark.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
But if you go to the I, la I, or U with a stress mark,
Mm-hmm.
you need to add, in order to make the plural, you need to add es. So in this case, it's Bengali. You
Okay.
change it for Bengalíes, but you keep the stress mark.
I see. Okay.
Here also bamboo, bambúes.
Mm.
Or rubí, rubíes.
Okay.
Okay, but you keep the stress mark. So only in the I and U with a stress mark.
Okay.
Then we go, I love this one because if the noun ends in a consonant, you
Okay.
just add es,
Okay.
except with z. That's the
Okay.
only consonant. That's the exception. But the rest, with if you see an consonant, you just add es.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then we have the exception, that the z. You drop the z and you add ces. Ces. For
Okay.
example, here, ves, like sometimes, you
Mm-hmm.
drop the z and you change for ces.
Okay.
Also, we have this one. And I remember this one because I learned this rule because of this word, lapis.
Oh, okay.
So just change it for lapices.
Lapis. Okay.
Yeah, I love it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you just need to do that and remember Z, you just drop it, and CES.
Okay.
Okay, now this canción, the words that end with ion.
Mm-hmm.
It could be, for example, camión, but no, that's
Okay.
okay. Camión, canción. In this case, you just drop the stress mark and
Oh,
you
okay.
add es.
Okay.
So you have canción and you end with canciones. But you need to eliminate the stress mark.
Okay.
Otherwise, you would say, instead of saying canciones, you would say canciones.
Mm,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. But,
Yeah.
and I mean, we don't have a word like that, but you will sound funny. So,
Uh-huh.
aha. And then we have this one, that with the Y, the ones
Oh,
that
yes.
end with the Y.
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, imagine that we eliminate this. So we have the singular, that it's buey,
Wait.
that it's an oxen, okay? So you have buey. Can you listen the end of the word? This one, it sounds like an I, because it's at the end of the word.
Mm-hmm.
Buey.
Right.
But when you add the es, this sound changes. And now you have bueyes.
Oh, yeah.
You don't have bueyes. You have
Right.
bueyes.
Right. Okay.
Okay? So it changes sometimes depending on the variation. For example, it could be from Spain or from Mexico and Colombia. You can say bueyes, like in llanta,
Mm-hmm.
or bueyes, like in Spain, like we say, we pronounce different the
Right.
L or the Y. And it's the same here. In singular, you have convoy.
Mm-hmm.
This one it's Y. But when you have the the plural, this one changes and it's convoyes.
Mm-hmm.
In this one, for example, this is bueyes, but this one it's convoyes. No es,
Why is it different?
I think because the varieties in the we call it varieties, but it could be also
Mm.
dialectos. Okay,
Okay.
so sometimes in a country or in a certain region, we just start pronouncing certain words in a way and the other ones in another way.
Okay. Okay.
So as I learn, it's convoyes, but this
Uh-huh.
one is Y, right? And
Yeah.
this one is bueyes.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you said it the like convoyes, would that sound wrong to people?
No,
No.
to be honest, as I remember in Mexico City, when you pronounce differently, you
Hmm.
we understand.
Okay.
And maybe if we are like super close friends, we will make fun of you if you sound
Hmm.
funny. Otherwise, we really don't care. Sometimes I
Okay.
remember that I used to say certain words like a hubiese,
Hmm.
and that's not common in Mexico. And
Oh.
no one said anything except my close friend.
Okay.
He had
Okay.
fun of me. Así,
Oh,
hubiese o fuese o hubiésemos.
and
And
how do they say it?
yeah, he just laughed at me and that's it.
Mhm.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, but that's the only thing. I mean, we don't make fun of people in that case because
Okay.
Mexico it's loves to have fun.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, and then we have the these are like exceptions or super particular because
Okay.
for example agua, all of this they are uncountable. For example, agua, that is water, tráfico, trabajo, dinero, fama, comida, all of them they are uncountable. Do you understand all the words?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So as you can
Except
yeah,
for fama. Is
fama
that
it's fame.
okay? That's what I thought. Okay.
Yeah, uh-huh. So for example, agua. When you
Mm-hmm.
have agua, I mean it's uncountable. But for example, if you go to a Mexican restaurant, you will read. Let me type it here. It's aguas frescas. They you can read it or they can say it. We have aguas frescas, but that
Ah.
means that they have different. For example, agua de horchata, de
Mm.
Jamaica, de fresa. So we have different kinds of like a agua de
Hmm.
fruta. So
Right.
actually in Mexico City I remember aguas frescas, no como aguas frescas, sino agua de fruta.
Mm. Okay.
Okay? So in this case the difference is that they are not telling you that agua is countable. They are telling you that the different kind of waters
Mm-hmm.
that this is countable because they are telling you this is agua horchata, agua de Jamaica, agua de fresa. So together they are aguas.
I see. Okay.
Or for example, oh, this is don't you won't like it. Aguas negras. Do you know what's the meaning of aguas negras?
No.
It's
Black.
water from the sewer.
Oh, okay.
So there is valle de Chalco, I think so. let me remember. But in Bordo de Xochiaca. There is a
Okay.
place in Mexico City that when it's the raining season, that
Uh-huh.
river that it's Aguas Negras,
Uh-huh.
just how do you say, like overboard or
Overflows?
overflows. And
Uh-huh.
yeah, it's sad because they go into the houses and it's horrible. It's
Oh.
a horrible, horrible season. So,
Mm-hmm.
el río de Aguas Negras,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's
Oh.
entran las casas. So that means that every single water from the houses go there. So
Mm-hmm.
aguas negras, you know?
I see.
So we
Yep.
have those also.
Okay.
So I was thinking how to tell you how to know if you can make certain words that they are uncountable and they can make plural. So I can
Mm.
tell you, for example, that if it's something concrete, like water, something that you can touch, agua, leche, papel, sal, ropa, comida, most of them you can make them plural.
Plural. Okay.
For example, papeles,
Mm-hmm.
uh-huh, but
Right.
they have to be like a documentos, like papers,
Right. Right. Okay.
okay? But if it's abstract, it's for example, happiness or
Mm-hmm.
fame or education. Even if you can make different kinds of education or different kinds of happiness, you cannot make them plural. So you have to say la educación física,
Mm.
la educación emocional. So you need to say like uncountable
Mm-hmm.
or separated, but you cannot say las educaciones and then
Mm-hmm.
the rest.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
See.
And then there are special ones like a música, trabajo. They depend of the context.
I see. Okay.
Okay? So yeah. So do you have some questions or something?
Mm, no, so I can use musica or musicas sometimes or
Sometimes you can say
okay.
músicas. Oh, let me think of an example. Like músicas. Ah, music. It could be like a folk. For example, if you are talking about folklore,
Uh-huh.
for example, for folclóricas o
Mm-hmm.
sinfónica, you know, in those
Mm-hmm.
cases you can say sometimes músicas,
Okay. Okay.
but it depends on the context. So I think those are the special ones that depends. Or for example, trabajo, you can say
Yeah.
trabajos forzados, that it's when someone is forcing you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but that's the name of the noun or the situation, trabajos forzados. But you cannot say trabajos trabajos de ingeniería, diferentes trabajos, you know.
Mm.
It
Mm-hmm.
depends on the situation, but yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you
Thank
like it.
you. I did. Thank you.
Okay, see you soon. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye-bye.